Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. So, the deadline for the departure of Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark fast approaching. There are growing concerns over Prime Minister Andrew Holness' delay in naming his replacement, with increasingly louder whispers that he could move into the role. My wisdom warriors, how really are going? What is really going on? When I hear them something here? But there is no indication yet from the government sources that Holness is considering giving up the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, which he has described as the key to driving the prosperity he wants for the country. What prosperity? Let me begin with this. What prosperity are you talking about, Andrew Holness? You're talking about prosperity for your corporation, not for the Jamaican people. Because all know we're not seeing prosperity. What prosperity are you talking about? What prosperity are you talking about? I don't understand you, Andrew Holness. Oh, so you want to give up your role of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation? That you want to give up, so you want to be the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister? You must be mad. That can't happen in Jamaica. That cannot happen. You know crazy? Listen to me, Jamaican people, I want to know have sense. A whole heap of money Andrew Holness rub up. Whole heap of money. You hear him out here talk about Finsack? You hear him talk about Finsack, my wisdom warriors? Billions of dollars unaccounted for underneath the JLP administration. Billions. Not even billions. What may I talk say? Trillions of dollars unaccounted for underneath Andrew Holness administration. So when me hear him come talk about Finsack, $1 million, compare that to the $1 trillion where Andrew Holness thief. What Andrew Holness thief in this 8th year. When I pray what go on Jamaica, me say when I pray what is going on. So listen to me, Jamaican people. Don't be fool. Don't be fool about the hype. Don't forget what Andrew Holness do to we. Me call Uno Labour right did a lick out against him. Don't forget, because everything what Andrew Holness did say him I go do, when he say him I go implement and Marky G come out and lick out against him I go bring it back. Jamaica, don't be fooled, because if you make the mistake and make Andrew Holness turn the president of Jamaica and turn Jamaica in a republic, we doom. We doom. That time we can't stop him. We can't stop him, and we can't ask for no help. You understand? We cannot ask for no help. The Labour right there not so sensible. Them don't know what them a do. They just a think about liquor and a think about hype. That's it. Them not ready yet, because majority of them dunce. Even the one them where you see as minister, a linking bring them there so. Through links, make them reach or them reach. Them dunce like a bat. Them dunce, my wisdom warriors. So my Jamaican people, I want to think thoroughly about this. We cannot have Andrew Holness as no president of Jamaica and no finance minister. That can't happen. So if that Andrew Holness having a head, you must be mad. You can't handle with financial affairs. Never. You cannot. And then again, my wisdom warriors, let me get back to now Andrew Holness. You know him the name who he want to take over from Nigel Clark. Well, on here it already said them say Andrew Holness want to be finance minister. However, we just have to wait to see where am I going to do. We just have to wait to see where am I going to do, because what we want him to do, is for resign. But if we, the Jamaican people, come out and protest, stage a demonstration, protest and ask for him resignation, he have to resign. We need to go out in our numbers and ask for this man to resign. You can't just wait and I say, oh, make Andrew Honest do it off my own. No, if you come together and go out and ask for him resign. Seriously, this man not go nowhere. This man not go away. And if these allegations are true about finance minister, listen, Andrew, take that off of your head and take that off of your mind, because you will never be Jamaican finance minister. You mad? Look how much account you have, 28 account. Charity money, how much millions of dollars, US dollar we are talking about, you know? Go through your account them. How much business you want to have. How much trillions of dollars missing underneath the Andrew Wallace administration. When I see some dirty stinking labor right come out and chat off them stinking mouth, my wisdom warriors, out here talking about FinSac. Me have to really say, I want to these people. We not talk about in the 90s. We in a 2024. How if you go back in the 90s when you have a thief right here and if you have sense, brother? On so fourfold, man. Want to make everybody a laugh at our Jamaican people. Through on stupidity. My viewers and subscribers, because of labor rights stupidity, everybody have we as laughing stock. Everybody have we as laughing stock. Una idiot, brother. Una labor right. Una idiot. Una no see what Andrew Honest not even interested in a getting reparation for we. He not even interested. Come on. He not interested because he's part of the Privy Council. But una not get it. Una so dumb. Una so dumb when I chat about FinSac. When this man steal in whole administration, thief, more than 1.7 trillion US dollar we are talking about, you know. Where all of these money gone? Where all of these money gone? Eh? This is why Andrew Honest have 28 bank account. Where all these money gone? You have it, you have the hospital them a suffer. The hospital they need for bill up. You have Christopher Tufton. Leave the hospital them. We need for bill up. Leave the hospital them. We need resources. We need equipment and gone a build new hospital. It just don't make no sense. Amount of health center want to build. Una build how much health center? Una don't even have staff to put in there. Una just a waste money. But my wisdom warriors, me tell you, say I not really waste them a waste money, you know. You understand? Me tell you, say Andrew Wallace and his wife is a real estate developer. Them come for us bill and collect them money. And that go on in Jamaica. And that go on in Jamaica. See the health center at Morant Bay there so. See the health center at Morant Bay where they open about 2 weeks ago now, 3 weeks ago. It have to lock down because they don't have no staff. So what's the point? Una waste of time, brother. Una waste of time. You get me? Una build up this, build up that. Una don't have equipment. Sit there. Uno gone buy equipment from hustler. Uno gone buy equipment from uno sister una real shit house though. Uno gone buy equipment from hustler. And uno know so the parts them no sell at Jamaica. And even if the parts them no sell at Jamaica, uno no make no effort to buy parts overseas. Uno no make no effort. So how can uno come out here and I tell we say uno care for the country? Uno don't care for the country. Uno care about what we have with resources to sell it to stakeholders and investors. That's all we care about. And now we're in a big shit because we're in debt. And you have some labor right come out and uno is a set of fools. But we are going to hold uno labor right supporters accountable. Because when Andrew Honest starting shit, uno are going to get the blame. Uno supporters because uno out here hype up Andrew Honest. Brother, Andrew Honest not care about not even uno. Because sometimes uno not even uno have to walk like dog. Sometimes uno don't even have food for cook. And out here. Uno just out here every single day chatting pure shit. Misleading the Jamaican people. Spreading propaganda. And not telling the people the real truth. Them are something I need to stop, man. Them are something I carelessness. So Andrew Honest cannot angle with financial affairs. You hear me? Andrew Honest cannot handle our financial affairs. He's not capable. He doesn't have the ability to do that, my wisdom warriors. He not care for this man, Andrew Honest, wanna see. Him not supposed to go around and do no talking pan no. Listen, he not supposed to go on no platform chat nothing. This man shouldn't step aside. He is under ongoing investigation. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. You understand me? Them are something I know right, my wisdom warriors. This is ridiculous. This man no fear depend on platform attack. And then on top of it, I borrow how much $1 million from IMF. Fidoa, PJ Patterson, pay off how much money. Pay off how much money we owe with IMF. I want to come back and start the Frigga and I'm going to leave us in a big shit. All you Nigel Clark, you run well left Jamaica. You don't care about Jamaican people. You make Andrew Owenless turn in a one puppet pan a string. One puppet pan a string. You make Andrew Owenless turn in a. And we so taxpayer money. Do pure shit. Pure madness you do. Because you say you build up this or build down this or you don't have staff or you don't have equipment. You don't waste of time, man. Boy, I don't know Jamaica. God know, I don't know. I'm sorry for my Jamaican people. I'm sorry for myself too. You understand? Because nobody, it come like you don't want to change. The labor right, they don't want no change. Then say Andrew wants to build infrastructure for who? They don't get to the bottom of it, you know. They don't get to the bottom of it. And then say Andrew do good. Friggin' idiot them. You don't want a conking on the forehead if you have sense. You don't really need some conking on the forehead. One thing I realize, so the labor right, them still sleeping. Them still sleeping. But they must know. They must know. But I wish I just them when Andrew Wallace ready for starting foolishness, I wish I just them alone a suffer. Me not tell you no lie, me tell you no the God Almighty truth. I wish I just the JLP them alone suffer. Me I tell you no, because the way how me see them a go on about Andrew, and Andrew don't do nothing for Jamaican people, all him do a thief taxpayer money. And you know alright with that, you know out here talk about Finsack. And we have a real thief, right? Hey, sometimes I want to tell you some things, you see. Sometimes I want to tell the labor right them some sitting here see my wisdom warriors, but me have to hold my tongue. Jaja. Tell me what you think anyway about this. If you don't want Andrew Owenless to be a finance minister, you make me know, put it in the comment section. Cause this will get really serious, my wisdom warriors. My viewers and subscribers, just to let you guys know that there will be a press conference today, Monday, the 28th of October. You're going to have Dr. Alfred Dawes, the Shadow Minister of Health and Wellness. For some people, them don't know what type of job Mr. Dr. Alfred Dawes does. Well, he's actually a doctor, well, a real doctor, a medical doctor. Yeah, and he's the Shadow Minister of Health and Wellness. So basically, him shadow the government. I don't know how his thing set already. So when you hear him come out and attack, the man not tell no lie. He's actually speaking out and speaking the truth. So Dr. Alfred Dawes, the Shadow Minister of Health and Wellness, will address the nation on the urgent concerns surrounding Jamaica's declining healthcare system. This press conference will cover critical issues impacting public health, the quality of care, and the immediate actions needed to restore trust and improve outcomes in healthcare across the island. So my wisdom warriors, wanna stay tuned because I'm gonna come with that. You understand? Him a come and him a go tell you exactly what is going on. On the other hand, some doctor came out and them speak out, my wisdom warriors. Yes, you have doctor. Me not talk about the doctor will come out other day, you know. We come from America. You have Jamaican doctors actually come out and say health infrastructure problem is widespread. This is what they came out and said. The Jamaica Medical Doctors Association, JMDA, has asserted that the infrastructure-related challenges faced by Bustamante Hospital for Children are not unique to that institution, as similar issues are evident throughout the country's healthcare facilities. Want to hear that? So, what Christopher Tufton officer? What Christopher Tufton officer? Because he might make it look like just the little girl was the issue alone. Yeah, so what Christopher Tufton have to say about this? This is why me always tell me people, them say, come out. You don't notice my wisdom warriors. When me come out other day, what me always say? Me always say the nurses them for stand up for the patient. The doctor them for stand up for the patient. When I hear from them, if they know that something is not working or something is not right in the hospital, and all them are complain and the health ministry now look upon them, then if you come out and bawl out. Now that me say, and that me always say. So when me see the Jamaica Medical Doctor Association run out, me feel good, my wisdom warriors. Me have to feel good because remember say we not hear them, you know. Remember say we not hear them. We not hear them. You understand? So Christopher Tufton, you need to resign. You need to go. You need to go. You understand? This is not right, Jamaica. These things not right. It is totally wrong. It is totally wrong. And Christopher Tufton I make it look like say I just a little girl issue alone. When the man from America, yeah, him there talk about more issues. You understand? Some of them he not even did get into. But he did say there's other issues. Come on. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put on opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, I just want to take the time out to tell you guys thank you for supporting my channel. It means the world to me. No one then, me will tell you no one all the time, but listen to me. I really appreciate you guys. I want to big up on a nice clean self. I want big up all of my new subscribers who come through for me. I want big up to my foundation subscribers. Them when I left me, none at all. On a day from day one. Big up on yourself. Also, I want to give a special shout out to my managing moderator, Chrissy Hutchinson. Big up your nice, clean self. Listen, Chrissy, a foundation in my wisdom warriors. Yeah, man. Chrissy is a foundation. She there with me from day one. Yeah, man. From when I start this channel, she never left. When me tell her she never left, she never left. And you're going to get a reward, Chrissy. Remember me tell you, you're going to get a reward by a surprise. So, mama, just blessings upon blessings. Also, I want to big up to all my other moderators. And I don't know, more big up Bolo right through. Bolo, big up yourself. Guys, sometime when you can run over Bolo, subscribe and just show him some love. Anyway, my people, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, text yes to 876-236-9097. And thanks again for forever supporting my channel. It means the world to me. But don't forget, my people, don't forget, we'll create another channel. It is called the PNP News Round. I want to go over there. I want to like up the video them over there, you know. I want to share out the video them over there, you know. And I want to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.